Hey guys, so as you were able to see, I gave you guys a quick view of everything that comes in the box for this new portable air conditioning unit that I got. I'm really excited because it's going to cover up to 500 square feet, and today I wanted to jump right into the installation process and putting it to you so you guys are able to see that. So go ahead and set it up and we'll be back at the end to close it out with our honest review. Let's go. Alright guys, and just coming back to close out my review, I absolutely love this new portable air conditioner so much. The quality is there. I love the fact that the brand provided us everything that we needed to be able to install it to our window, and I'm so happy that I'm going to have cool air going through my home. Keep in mind that this amazing product is a 3-in-1 product. So what that means is that it's an air conditioner as well as a dehumidifier and a fan. It does cover a total of 500 square feet. We do have the ability to set a timer on it. We do have auto swing, smart sleep mode, and also we can set it to a 24-hour timer. Guys, once again, I would highly recommend this air conditioner. I hope you guys are able to enjoy this amazing unit as well, whether you're getting it for yourself or as a gift for a family or friend. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.